Is your peaceful drive turning into a cacophony of knocks and rattles? If so, you're not alone. The ominous sound of a loud knocking noise emanating from your car can be disconcerting, but fear not. Understanding the potential causes and finding the right solution can turn your automotive nightmare into a distant memory. When your car starts making a loud knocking noise, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage and ensure your safety on the road. The source of the knocking could vary, ranging from minor issues to more serious mechanical problems. Here's a comprehensive overview to help you diagnose and resolve the problem. Engine knocking. One of the most common causes of a loud knocking noise is engine knocking. This could be due to issues such as improper fuel combustion, worn-out piston bearings, or low-quality fuel. Ignoring engine knocking can lead to severe engine damage over time. Worn-out bearings. Worn-out bearings, whether in the engine, transmission, or wheel hubs, can also produce a knocking noise. These components play crucial roles in the smooth operation of your vehicle, and a failure to address worn-out bearings can result in costly repairs. Suspension problems. Faulty suspension components, such as worn-out shocks or struts, can cause your car to emit knocking sounds, especially when going over bumps or rough roads. Ignoring suspension issues not only affects your comfort, but also compromises your vehicle's handling and safety. Exhaust system issues. A loose or damaged exhaust system can produce a knocking or rattling noise, particularly when the car is idling or accelerating. Apart from the noise nuisance, a compromised exhaust system can lead to harmful emissions and reduced fuel efficiency. Solution. To address the loud knocking noise coming from your car, consider the following steps. Consult a professional. If you're not confident in diagnosing the issue yourself, it's advisable to seek assistance from a qualified mechanic. They can conduct a thorough inspection and pinpoint the exact cause of the knocking noise. Regular maintenance, preventive maintenance is key to avoiding car troubles. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and address any issues promptly to prevent them from escalating. Replace worn-out parts. If worn-out components are identified as the culprit, ensure they are replaced promptly with high-quality parts to restore your vehicle's performance and reliability. Drive responsibly. Avoid aggressive driving habits and use high-quality fuel to minimize the risk of engine knocking. Additionally, drive cautiously over rough terrain to reduce strain on suspension components. Don't let a loud knocking noise derail your driving experience. Stay informed and proactive about maintaining your vehicle's health. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and solutions. Share this guide with fellow car enthusiasts, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Together, let's keep our rides running smoothly and silently on the road.